Howdy ladies and gentlemen, and in today's quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make everyone headless in your Roblox game. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for not missing more videos. Great, so let's start. Firstly, let's go to server script service and then let's create a new script. Once we've done it, we should create a variable called players to detect our service to work with players. Yep. Now let's detect when someone has joined the game actually. So players, player added, connect a function, and we detect the player who joined as a PLR. Right now let's find the character of this player. So player.character or character added wait. So we basically use a character that exists, or if it didn't load yet, then we use character added wait. So yep. Okay, we found a character and now let's find its head. So head equals char, wait for child, head. But actually, before we do it, let's wait until the character appearance is loaded. So player, character appearance loaded, wait. Good, so once we waited, we can find our head and make head transparency be 1. Great, let's check this one out. And boom. Okay, we don't have a head now. So what should we do next? We still have a face here, so we need to get rid of this one. Let's do it. Let's go to script. And now let's look through our head. So for IV in pairs, head get children. So we'll have a loop that will go through all the child elements of our head, so everything inside the head, and we check if our child object that we are currently working with is a decal, so if it's an image actually, and then we just destroy it and we break our loop because we don't have anything to do with it more. And yep, let's test if it works. Play the game and boom. So our character is headless now, and anyone who will join this game will become headless. Well done, my friend. So subscribe for more and see you. Bye bye.